Think about that worry builders sometimes have, especially with pre-sold homes. Will the client's financing actually come through at the end? What if rates jump 6 months into the build? Does that mess up their final qualification with a traditional too-close loan?
It absolutely can.
Yeah.
And our article really highlighted that. It can leave you, the builder, in a really tough spot. You've got a finished house, maybe, and suddenly the buyer can't get the final financing. But with OTC loans, the lenders and the sources are explicit here. They secure the permanent loan before construction begins.
Yeah.
That one step just removes a major risk, the risk of the deal collapsing later because of financing problems.
So practically speaking, what's the impact for you, the builder? Well, fewer lost deals on those pre-solds, right? Because that permanent financing, it's already approved. The article we read specifically said this greatly cuts the risk of deals failing because of those financing snags.
Yes, fewer lost deals.
Hmm.
But it's also about gaining certainty. You get that guaranteed end financing.
Hmm.
You know that once the home's built to plan, the lender is committed. They'll provide the permanent mortgage, which pays off your construction loan. It's locked in.
And that certainty, well, it must make planning easier. Better cash flow planning, as the sources put it. Knowing the full funding is secure lets you manage your own money, your resources, much more predictably.
Right. You're less reliant on your own capital to carry the build for the client. And the video transcript we saw even mentioned payments, the draws during construction, being faster and more predictable.
Okay, faster draws too. That helps.
Definitely. And because the money's ready to go from day one, projects often see quicker project starts. You avoid some of those early delays waiting for financing butts to fall into place.
Plus, something else the sources mentioned was the clarity around the draw process itself with OTC loans. You know, how you get paid as you hit construction milestones.
Yeah, with the old two-loan system, it could sometimes feel a bit murky, maybe two different lenders, two sets of rules. But with OTC, that draw schedule is actually part of the initial loan approval. It's all laid out up front. A clearer roadmap for getting funds released.
Okay. Clearer draws, faster starts, guaranteed funding. It's sounding pretty good for the builder side of things.